Today we are going to know about the writing skill. So normally it happens that whenever we start teaching to the kid, we start first A, B, C, D like this way. This is not a proper way to start writing skill. Before this writing there are some pre-writing lines and strokes. We have to do that. After that we have to go this, and that's also not in this order, A after B, B after C, not like that. We have to go according to the lines and strokes. So it will help to improve the handwriting of kids. So first thing it comes, standing line and a sleeping line. Standing line and a sleeping line. Under these lines, L, F, E, H, I. L, E, L, F, E, H, I. This alphabet comes. A is a slanting line, so it is not coming. B, C, D, curve they have, so they won't come first. E is here, F, G, H is here, standing line and a sleeping line. I, J, K, L, L is here, M, N, O, P, P also have curve line, Q, R, S, T. We can write here the T also. Standing, sleeping line and standing line. U, V, W, X, Y and a Z. So first we have to do about these letters. Then we can go to other letter, because this letter consists only standing line and a sleeping line.